welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. So my last video was a packing video, but I did not share my toiletries because I felt like that just needed its whole other video because I kind of do bring a lot of toiletries. So that is what this video is all about. I'm going to share with you all the toiletries that I bring to Disney for carry-on. This varies greatly from when I check a bag, because I like to bring a lot of stuff, so I've really had to pare down this trip. So let's go see what I'm bringing. Okay, so we are going for 4 days and 3 nights. Actually, it's 4 nights because we're staying at the airport hotel before we go, but this is all I'm bringing. This is like my liquids, my wet bag, and then this is everything else, including my makeup. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Okay, so let's start with the liquids. This little plastic bag, I actually have a couple of them. They are from Sephora. I really like them because they're more sturdy than a quart-size bag. They have a nice zipper. They're see-through. They're just thicker. And I have a couple of them, like I said. I love these bags. Okay, so I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. This is by Bigelow, and it's my favorite Not Balm, and this stuff is just super moisturizing on my lips. I get this from Bath and Body Works, and can't say enough good things about it. Then I have some hairspray. I've never used this before. I was just looking for a travel size, and it says Frizzies by John Frieda. We'll see how that works out. Then this is my favorite body lotion. It's Pretty as a Peach by Bath and Body Works. It's a brand new one. It's really heavy, so I'm going to see if I have a smaller one that I can bring, but taking that. Let's see. This is a case that I got from Amazon recently. I've got a few things, and I'm not going to open, maybe I will open this up. Hold on. Okay, so these little cases, they actually like have that, I don't even know what it is, but I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Oh, there we go. But see how it like keeps the cream in there? And this cream, I actually brought the stuff so I could show you what I decanted. But this is Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I use this as a night cream on my face. I love it. I can also put it on my hands, but love that. So that case clearly can't come with me. So that's why I like these little tiny jars. This is the foundation that I'm going to wear. It's not like actually foundation. It's Makeup Forever HD, and it's like a really tinted moisturizer, I guess we'll call it. Does it say what it actually is? Ultra HD Perfector. But it does, I'll show you what I use with it, but it does give me really full coverage. My contact lens solution. This is sunscreen, and I actually forgot about sunscreen until my friend Kelly from Kelly's Kingdom reminded me that I needed sunscreen. So this will actually go in my park bag once we get there, but this sunscreen is this sunscreen, which is Copper Tone Sport Clear. We actually got this at the parks last time we were there. Does it say how much it is? $13.99. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but we the sunscreen we brought with us last time was actually expired. So we got a little sunburn the first day, so we bought this, I think at the Wilderness Lodge, and really enjoy it. So I decanted that and put it in this little squeeze bottle. This is one of those silicone squeeze bottles. I got these off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and link these and everything else down below. It's actually just in here as a placeholder because I need to go buy a new shampoo and conditioner. That'll be my shampoo and conditioner that I will take with me. This is my mascara. It is Lash Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise. Who makes this? L'Oreal, I think. I love this mascara. This is the perfume that I'm bringing. It is Gucci Bamboo. I don't know if you can even see that. My husband got this for me for Christmas, and then he got me the travel size a while later because I love it. It's what I wear almost every day. And then I have my brow gel. This is NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and this is in the color, I have no idea what color that is. Espresso. I use this instead of Gimme Brow. I switched a while ago and haven't changed. And then I am bringing a lip gloss. This is NYX Butter Gloss. Love this stuff. And this is in Angel Food Cake. I can wear this on its own, or I can throw it on top of another lip gloss or lipstick. And then this stuff, and hold on, let me open it. I know, it's green. It looks a little weird. It is this stuff. It is this Seco Pair by Dr. Jart. It is the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So in the morning, I put this on my face, and it looks green, but it turns brown, I guess. It evens out your skin, and it has some SPF in there, and then I'm able just to use a light foundation on top of it, and I get full coverage because this covers any redness. It covers up any really anything on your face. I can't say enough good things about this stuff. It's really expensive. I think this bottle is like 58 bucks for this little tiny thing, but it does last a long time, but it is totally worth it. Okay, so yep, those are all my liquids, and then this little thing I got recently at Victoria's Secret. I did pay for it, but I needed like a new makeup case, but it's not very big. So these are my glasses. And then those are my makeup brushes. I'll go over those in a second. And then I have my deodorant, which is Stink Bug. I had it in my park bag when I filmed my like what's in my park bag video, but then I put it in here because I am gonna need it at the hotel at the airport the night before we go. This is a powder. This is actually a birthday gift from Sephora. This is the Kat Von D translucent powder. I love this stuff. I've used this stuff for years. Just put it over my foundation. Just locks everything in. Keeps you matte. Love that. I have a razor. I have one of these like little clips. I have... Oh, this is Laura Mercier. This is like a liquid eyeshadow kind of. One of these things. So it gives you color and you can blend it with your fingers. I'm just trying to go light packing, not a lot of makeup. And it just gives you some shimmer and shine. I really like this stuff. And then I have an eyeshadow. This is Urban Decay. Can I read it? Midnight Cowboy. This is really, I kind of put this like on more like my brow bone to kind of give a highlight. That's what it looks like. It has a little bit of sparkle. I don't even think they make this anymore. Had that for a couple years. Then I have eyeliner. This is Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. This stuff is like holy grail. I've tried other eyeliners and I keep coming back to this one. Contact lens case. Oh, I'm only bringing one, what is this called? Rouge? Blush? This is Party, oops, by Tarte. And that's what it looks like. It's just a nice natural kind of color blush that I thought, you know, I'm only bringing one, so I thought I'd bring that one. Okay, so these are my makeup brushes. I have a ton of like cases for my makeup brushes. I have makeups, like I just have train cases. I could bring all these different things, and this is what I'm going for. So this is for my blush. This is It Cosmetics, just a little blush brush. I don't even know where all these brushes came from. This is, I think this is by Marabella, maybe not. Yeah, I think it is a Marabella. I use this to put on, can you even see that? I use this to put on the eyeshadow, the Midnight Cowboy eyeshadow. This is so old, I don't even know where this came from. But I'm going to use this for the Kat Von D translucent powder. And then I'm going to put my foundation on with that. I should probably wash that before we go. But that is all, like that's it. That's all I'm bringing. This is like a miracle. This is a small miracle for me that this is all that I'm bringing as far as like toiletries go. But I'm really, like I said, trying to pack light. Do I really need all this stuff? And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so tell me, am I crazy? Do I need more toiletries? Please don't tell me I do, because I just don't know where I'm gonna put them. But actually, now that I think about it, by the time you see this video, I'm already gonna be at Disney. So that's what we're going with. I'll tell you how it went. I'm probably nuts for just bringing a few things, but you know, whatever, we're just gonna have fun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.